everyone, I am Raluca. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you guys an updated version of how I remove my makeup, mainly because I discovered a tool that has made this process so much easier and I had to share it with you. And if you're curious what that is, then just keep on watching. First of all, don't judge me. I use olive oil to remove my makeup. I have been using olive oil for years now, I think, and I just can't go back to plain micellar water. I feel like it's so much harder to dissolve all the makeup on my face. And before you say that it's comedogenic and it causes breakouts and stuff like that, just keep in mind that I leave it on my face for like a minute until it dissolves my makeup, and then I wash it off, so it caused me no harm whatsoever. But if you know your skin is really sensitive or acne prone, you can try using maybe a cleansing milk or a cleansing balm. Okay, let's start the process. I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil on my hands. By the way, if you're using this technique, you can use whatever oil that you want. I used to use coconut oil, almond oil, and yes, I know coconut oil is comedogenic, and oils in general, oils on your face can cause breakouts if you leave them on the skin, because they clog the pores. But I wash it off right after, so it doesn't cause any harm. Okay, I have my hands coated in oil and I'm just going to massage my face. And the tool that I discovered that saves me so much time and cotton pads, and not to mention the environment, is the makeup eraser. Like, this product is life-changing. It's basically a cloth. Feels really soft. You have to wet it first, so I'm going to do that. Okay, now that it's damp, I'm just going to wipe my face with it. So you don't have to use micellar water at all. And I was skeptical the first time I used this, so after I used this makeup eraser, I used a cotton pad with micellar water to see if I have any more makeup on my skin, and I didn't. The cotton pad just came out white. This really does the job. And I like the fact that it's pretty big, so even if you have like a full face of makeup on, you have a lot of sides of this cloth that you can use. Like, you can use one side for lipstick, one side for eyes. For my eyes, I just wrap it around my finger like this and gently clean this area. I wash this after every use. I just hand wash it using some soap. I haven't tried washing it in the washing machine, so I don't know if that works. And now I'm going to cleanse my face like I do every day, and I'm going to use this Yves Rocher Hydra vegetal cleanser. I'm just going to take like a pump on my face and just massage it until it creates a little bit of foam. I avoid my eye area. Now I'm going to rinse this off with just water. I haven't exfoliated in like maybe more than a week now, so I'm going to use the Wishful YoGlow enzyme scrub. I did a full review on this product. I will link it down below in the description box. I'll take a little bit of that on my fingers, and I'm going to massage this. And now I'm going to rinse my face. And last but not least, I will moisturize. I'm going to use this Clinique Moisture Surge eye cream on my eye area. And I'm applying my eye cream with my ring finger, so I don't put too much pressure on this area. And to moisturize my face, I will use this The Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factor. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it was useful. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and maybe I'll see you in my next one. Bye!